Have you ever felt that even though you work hard every month, your money just seems to disappear? Maybe it's not your salary, but what you're doing with it. Today, I'm going to share 5 financial mistakes that are destroying your finances. And the worst part is, you might not even realize it. Stay until the end, because the last mistake is the one most people make, and it's the most expensive. Mistake number 1 is living paycheck to paycheck. If you get paid on Friday and by Monday your account is almost empty, this mistake is yours. Living paycheck to paycheck means not having an emergency fund, and any unexpected expense like a car repair or a medical bill pushes you into debt. Imagine you earn $1,000 a month and spend exactly $1,000. One day your fridge breaks and costs $300 to fix. What do? Credit card, loan, borrowing money, and that's where the debt cycle begins. Start by saving at least 10% of your income, no excuses, and put it into an emergency fund. Mistake number 2 is buying things you can't afford. We all want the latest tech, brand name clothes, or a new car, but buying on credit just because I can afford the monthly payment is a trap. The problem isn't the product itself, it's the interest you pay, which could have gone into investments. A $1,000 phone bought on credit with interest could end up costing $1,200. That $200 difference could have been invested and multiplied in a few years. If you can't buy it outright without touching your savings, don't buy it, or wait and save for it. Mistake number 3 is not investing your money. Leaving your money in a savings account that barely pays interest is like letting it sleep. Money that doesn't grow loses value over time due to inflation. The wealthy know money must work, which is why they invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses. If you invest $100 a month at an 8% annual return, in 20 years you'd have over $55,000. If you keep it under your mattress, it will still be $24,000 but worth much less. Start small. Index funds, ETFs, or even an online business. The important thing is to put your money to work. Mistake number 4 is not learning about finances. Financial education is not optional, it's a must. It's not just about earning more, but about knowing how to manage it. The problem is the education system rarely teaches us how to handle money. And if you don't educate yourself, companies, banks, and ads will make decisions for you. Someone who understands finances knows that a credit card is not extra money, but a tool that, if misused, charges you sky-high interest and can ruin your life. Spend at least 30 minutes a day learning. Books, podcasts, videos. A small habit today can save you thousands tomorrow and help you build the future you want. Mistake number 5 is believing that more income is the only solution. Many people think, if I earned more, I wouldn't have money problems. But it doesn't matter how much you earn if you spend the same or more than you make. It's not about the amount, but the habit. This is called lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more unnecessary expenses you take on. Someone who goes from earning $1,000 to $2,000 and immediately upgrades to a more expensive car, clothes, and vacations will still end up in debt. When your income increases, keep your expenses the same and use the difference to invest. If you want to break the cycle of financial stress, start by avoiding these 5 mistakes. It's not about earning more, it's about managing what you have better. And remember, your financial freedom starts with a decision you can make today.